find the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 2 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap to the line vector r is equal to a plus lambda b. Also find the length of the perpendicular. Now the question, same question, foot of the perpendicular, distance of the perpendicular, we have to find it but in the vector form. Okay. Now let capital R be the foot of the perpendicular from point P to I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap. On the line AB, say vector r is equal to 11 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 8 k cap plus lambda 10 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 11 k cap, the vector equation. Now position vector of L is equal to, position vector of R. Position vector of R is equal to, now from this point, okay, so we are having 11 plus 10 lambda with I cap plus minus 2 minus 4 lambda with j cap plus minus 8 minus 11 lambda with k cap. So this is the position vector of R. Now, and let this be 1. Now vector PR is equal to position vector of R minus position vector of P. Now position vector of R, we have already got this one. Now this is equal to 11 plus 10 lambda I cap plus minus 2 minus 4 lambda j cap plus minus 8 minus 11 lambda k cap. Now this whole subtracting from position vector of P, and position vector of P is 2 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap. Now on solving, what we are having? (11 plus 10 lambda minus 2 with I cap plus minus 2 minus 4 lambda plus 1 with j cap plus minus 8 minus 11 lambda minus 5 with k cap. So this becomes now 9 plus 10 lambda I cap plus minus 1 minus 4 lambda j cap minus 1, we are having minus 2 minus 4 and minus plus 1, okay, sorry, plus minus 13 minus 11 lambda with k cap, and this is equation number 2. Now since vector PR is perpendicular to the given line AB, which is parallel to vector B, and vector B is 10 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 11 k cap. Therefore, vector PL dot vector B is equal to 0. Now we are having vector PL, we are having vector PR. Now vector PR and dot vector B. So position vector for PR is this one. Okay. So now we are having ten with 9 plus 10 lambda plus minus 4 with minus 1 minus 4 lambda plus minus 11 with minus 13 minus 11 lambda is equal to 0. Scalar dot product we are using. Okay, so now what we are having, 90 plus 100 lambda plus 4 plus 16 lambda plus 143 plus 121 lambda is equal to 0. Now for the lambda part we are having 100, 121, it is 221, 221 plus 16, that is 237 lambda plus now 90 plus 4 plus 143. So this becomes 237 is equal to 0 or lambda is equal to minus 1. One thing, now we got the value for lambda. Now position vector of R is equal to position vector of R putting lambda is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Now basically if this is not required, but if you want you can use this also. We have to find position vector of R, then we have to find position vector of P, and then we can find magnitude of PR, or directly we can go for it. So I am just writing it. Now position vector of R, position vector of R when lambda is minus 1, we have to use equation number 1 for it. Now 11 minus 10, that is position vector of R is equal to 11 minus 10 I cap minus 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus 2 j cap and plus 3 k cap. Similarly we can find position vector of V, and then we can find magnitude of PR, or we can directly go it. Now we have to find length of the perpendicular. Length of perpendicular is now position vector of, let directly write it, vector PR is equal to vector PR is equal to using equation 2 and putting lambda is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. So we are having PR is equal to, now equation 2, here it is equation 2. So we are having 9 minus 10 lambda, and lambda is minus 1, so we are having minus I cap plus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap. So this is the vector PR. Now magnitude of PR is equal to square root of 1 square plus 3 square plus 2 square. This is equal to 1 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to square root of 14. Length of perpendicular is equal to square root of 14 units.